In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can use the foam roller to strengthen and also release tension to increase your spinal mobility to help you to prevent any chronic neck pain. So first of all, this is also a video for people with head forward posture. So if you have a head forward posture, I would like you to have a towel so that you can place your head properly and your neck and head is well supported. Now sit at the end of your foam roller, make sure you are well supported and slowly lie down. Now this is the part most of the time your head might be slightly over the foam roller. You want to adjust so that your head is well supported. And for those with head forward posture, please fold your towel, place it at the back of your head. So in this position, we want to just start with the very first exercise, very important, which is your breathing, okay? And also using a foam roller, it can really help us to increase the awareness of our spinal alignment. So relax your rib cage, relax your pelvis, your hip flexor. You can feel the natural curves of your spine. You can place your hands, you can really release tension in your shoulders, chest. And relax the neck and shoulders, breathing comfortably, naturally. The more you relax, the more tension we can release, and that can increase your mobility and bring you back to balance. So let's practice the diaphragmatic breathing. So you want to feel more movement in the abdomen as you inhale, and as you exhale, abdomen sinking. Inhale, abdomen up, and exhale, abdomen sinking. You can also visualize a ring around your mid-back. As you inhale, you expand this ring, and as you exhale, the ring moves closer to your spine. So lateral breathing, inhaling all around, and exhale, feel the ring coming closer to your spine. Just one more time, no tension in the face, neck or shoulders. And exhale, let go of all tension. And if you need more time, do pause the video and continue for a few more rounds. And from here, okay, so for me, I do not have head forward posture, so I'm just going to just adjust the thickness of the towel so it can support me better. And from here, okay, make sure you're grounding your feet properly, your feet not turn out, knees and feet hip distance apart. So imagine you have a yoga block between your knees, okay, yoga block between your feet. Let's just reach the arms up. Relax your shoulders, so shoulders away from your ears. And from here, we're just going to slowly go into the scissors arms as we exhale, opposite direction. So do not drop the hands lower than your hips, okay, inhale. And then go to the range that you feel most comfortable. There's no pain. Do not squeeze the shoulders. So inhale here. As we exhale, release all the tension. And inhale. And exhale. Okay, bring it back. Inhale. Now as we exhale, bring the hands to the hip level. So your palms facing up, hip level. As we inhale, just bring it to the side. Exhale, slowly go a little bit higher. Palms facing each other. Bring it back up, pointing towards the ceiling. All the way down. Inhale to the side. Exhale over the head, but don't arch your back. Okay, you can bring the palms higher and slowly bring it back to center. Inhale. Exhale, release down. One more time. Palms facing up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do reverse. So your chin not pointing upwards. Okay, adjust the head slightly. Inhale up. Exhale over. Notice that I'm not arching my back. Inhale, palms facing up. So most people will have tension in their shoulders. So I'm going to keep the palms up higher here. Okay, and exhale. Palms facing each other, inhale up. Exhale, shoulders away, ribcage relax. And palms facing up, inhale. Exhale to the side. And slowly, palms down, relax. Find some balance here. Make sure the foam roller is not rocking. So usually there'll be some movement, okay, because we are relaxed, and also there's also imbalance, and also because some of us may have imbalanced muscles, so there'll be some movement. So just ground your feet because the feet is down, is safe, and now the palms down. And now we're just going to gently roll the head sideways, gentle, and feel that little stretch in the neck and shoulders. We want to say yes, like nodding ahead, and then coming back to neutral. All right, say no, releasing tension. One more time, saying yes, nodding the head to stretch the back of the neck and coming back to center. And over here, we're going to do a bit of strengthening, also just feel the muscles that's needed to stabilize our body, and then we're going to go into mobilization. I'm going to extend your arms, your palms pressing down, but do not hyperextend your elbows. Let's start with the right knee, so 90 degrees. Make sure you're not arching your back. You can adjust your knees slightly, but the knees are not too close, okay? So pelvis neutral. Allow the knees to be somewhere over your right hip socket. If you're comfortable, your left palm up, all right? Stay here. If you are very stable, then you can explore to extend both arms and legs. So bring it back slowly with control and exhale. So we have our right palm helping us to stabilize. All right, but do not press your right palm into just lightly supporting, okay? Exhale. Bring it back. All right, so the common mistakes, people usually drop the hands all the way back. You want to avoid that, okay? So right about here, okay, be good enough, keeping the shoulders away from the ears. All right, bring it back. Slowly lower the palms down first. Stabilize, lower the right foot down. Let's change to the other side. So slowly, when you're ready, left knee up. You'll find that maybe one side is easier than the other side, okay, due to the imbalance, especially people with scoliosis, okay, it may be more challenging. So this is also a good exercise, okay, for people with scoliosis, so you do not stress the body. And if you're quite stable, make sure the knee's not too close. Up, stay here, stabilize first. Breathing, extend. And just observe, is the foremolar moving a little bit more than the other side? Okay, you just want to find a position. So if it's moving too much, then your right palm down. And next, if you're comfortable, inhale. As we exhale, extend the arm. Bring it back. And extend. Bring it back. And extend. Bring it back. All right, and slowly. So you want to think about lengthening your spine too when you're practicing, and then slowly bring it back. All right, lower the palm down. Okay, from here, we're going to slowly, gently roll to the side to come out of the foam roller. Let's continue with spinal mobilization. We're going to place the foam roller on our thighs. And now our toes pointing upwards, our feet hip distance apart or slightly wider, depending how you feel right now, okay? So sitting tall, shoulders relaxed. If you are hunching a lot, you can also elevate yourself, okay, by sitting on a firm cushion or a yoga block to release tension in the back, all right? So from here, gazing far, chin parallel, just place the hands on the foam roller. So we're not moving the foam roller like this, okay? So the foam roller is following our movement. So inhale. So starting at the top of the spine, exhale, gently nodding ahead. So don't jam the chin towards the throat and just feel the flexion of your spine. So you're going to stretch the mid spine and then all the way to the lower spine. And release tension, keeping the belly drawn to your spine. So we want to keep the shoulders away from our ears, feel the space. And we can just rest our hands on the foam roller, shoulders relaxed. Breathing. So we're not collapsing. We want to reach the crown away from the shoulders. And just breathe into the lower back, belly drawn to our spine. Take a deep breath. As we exhale, slowly roll up. Just feel the vertebrae stacking on top of each other as we return. And coming back. One more time, inhale. As we exhale, gently nodding the head and flexing forward. So common mistake is people normally sink down and push. Okay, so we want to lengthen. All right, feel what's the spine doing right now. And the last part here, we're just going to move the formula so that we can rest our palms and keep the toes pointing upwards, shoulders away. Again, another common mistake is to squeeze the shoulders. Relax your shoulders, resting the palms on the foam roller, chin not jamming towards the throat. Breathe into your lower back. And as we exhale, slowly crawl up, starting from a lower spine. So we do it sequentially, mid-spine, neck, and chin parallel to the floor. Bring it back to center. Inhale, exhale, and relax. Next exercise will be a combination of a bit of a mobilization and also strengthening. So I think it's a great exercise and it will not stress the neck. Okay, so we don't need the towel. Just going to come to this position here, and slowly we're going to go into this position. So we're going to have this C curve, long C curve on our spine. All right, so the formula is on our mid back. And you're going to have your hands back of your head, your feet not too close. Okay, you need to draw the belly towards your spine, your chin not jamming towards your throat. So your thumbs back of your earlobe, fingers back of your eyes, elbows away, shoulders away from your ears. Now just staying here in the C curve, okay, C curve spinal alignment, we are already activating the six-pack muscles. So gentle, right knee up, keeping the right knee somewhere over the hips, okay, no stress, not too close. And gentle twist to the right side, feel the right obliques working. Breathing, and elbows not coming closer, away, shoulders away from your ears. And just activating our obliques, stretching our muscles. Breathing, coming back to center, inhale. As we exhale, lower down with control. So keeping the pelvis very quiet, activating the deep core muscles, and slowly draw the left knee up, softly point the toes. Very slowly as we exhale, we're going to contract the left obliques. And we're going to rotate. Don't overdo it, okay? So keeping the elbows away from the face. You want to focus more on the muscles and what's the spine doing. And are you breathing? Remember, we have to breathe. Breathing. Breathing. Slowly, we're going to come back to center. And gently lower the foot down. Now we're going to go gentle here. We're going to expand the chest. Now keep the hands here to support. Just open up the chest a little bit. So hands behind, elbows away. So gentle spine extension. If it's not comfortable, do not come to this position. And we're not going deep. Okay, slowly have the hand lift the head up and coming back to our long C curve. And one more time, and repeat the exercise. Right knee up, inhale. As we exhale, we twist. If it's comfortable for you, extend your left hand, just reaching out. Right hand, not moving your hips. And support again. Support, breathing, maintain the C curve, and we are in a rotate. We rotate our body to the right side to feel the obliques. And slowly twist back to center. Slowly lower the right foot down. And last one, left side. Draw the left knee up, maintain your C curve. And slowly twist to the left side. Feel the left obliques. Stay here. So we're not gazing upwards, we're gazing forward. Release the right hand if you're comfortable. Release the other hand if it's comfortable. If not, keep the hands behind. Support. Breathing. Support. Gently twist back to center. Lower the left foot down. Stay here, or a gentle spine extension. So chest up, we're not diving deep, just open up the chest, take a deep breath. As we exhale, lift the head up, so supporting the neck throughout, but not pushing it towards, don't push the chin towards the throat, there's always a bit of space. And from here, your fingertips here, and see whether you can just walk your hands up, okay? So from here, without squeezing the knees, and we go up, contracting your six-pack muscles, okay? And slowly come back, and let's stay in this position, hands on your shin, move the feet further away, and breathe deeply into your lower back. breathing, breathing, breathing. Inhale and exhale, slowly coming back up and sit taller, taller, taller. Okay, last exercise. Okay, we're going to lie down on our belly, okay, to target our upper back muscle. So we can place the foam roller here. Okay, and if you wish to, you can have the towel here, is up to you. And from here, we're going to lie down on the mat. So the hands will be at the edge of the roller, shoulders away. Softly point your toes, eyes cube under the belly, and gently just float the face up. So we're not looking up, we're just gazing down. Glide the shoulder blades down, breathing, breathing, breathing. Inhale. As we exhale, lengthen, don't squeeze, do not collapse, and lower down. Breathing. One more time. Inhale, face, chest. So we're lengthening the mid and upper spine. Once again, we are not looking up. We want to keep the back of the neck really lengthened and there's space there. And from here, if you feel comfortable, the right hand off the roller, you can look at your thumb. You're going to point towards the toes. Coming back, rest on the foam roller. Breathing, take a deep breath. As we exhale, gaze at the left palm, so the palm away from the foam roller, pointing towards the left foot. You're going to look at your thumb, so there's lateral flexion, okay, on your spine. And slowly coming back. Stay here, inhale. As we exhale, lower down. And hands beside the chest, legs together. Slowly push yourself off the mat. Rounding the back. And slowly rest in your shell stretch. And breathe deeply into your lower back. Now, a good practice for the spine is not just about physical movement, and therefore, if you notice, the breathing is very important, and I continue to share mindful movement with you. So have a great day, and I wish you well.